Yes, sir, baby. Welcome back to the another. Okay, I'm sure you can see good. There's a difference today. Instead of portrait, now we are doing landscape. So shula go se min bonan tsanyu kenyano vole shana bonan resoka the vlog le that previous so bonan tsanyu kenyano. The reason for this is because we're also trying to upload to YouTube now. Over. So if you know anything about YouTube, the video that got rectangle. Go on. So loko ni endla leswo swa yese baby timhaka anhleketa ku ri ti-YouTuber to tala loko ti pfula ti-video ta tona ku sunguriwa hi huwa yes baby welcome back to YouTube hey mi swi ta ni tekelanyana nkarhi wa vona ku va ni tolovelanyana xitala lexiya but kumbe wo hi zama okay let's try 3 okay that countela down since you guys are not here but okay let's count down together in 3 right let's go 3 2 1 phatsi kri bonyo ina bo 6 follow kun nghena mina wa story okay vanhu va hambanile guys vanhu va hambanile so allow me to be different and nge swi koti leswi swa huwa loko ya nghena wavona but then welcome back to another vlog. I think this is like the 13th episode and the one thing I realized by the last episode, I think it's the last episode, Anbulang word of the day and I got the vlog what if you know vlog one itana word of the day, you know. So today I'll try to make sure that I give you the word of the day, my guy. I'll try to give you the word of the day. So to recap, there's an episode. I'm not even proud to say this, but there's an episode Lenogangai Filmarang. And if Filmarang, I didn't capture it because one of the two reasons, right? Yosungula, we are trying to switch to YouTube, as I told you, you see. So I'm also trying to learn okay, YouTube. Number 2, it's because phone I tell a storage, my guy. Phone I tell a storage. Mina I didn't know kuri the video. I phone to take so storage. You know, mina I'm an Android guy. I've been using Android my whole life. Now Steve kuri Android Italian ginger like that. So like you see kuri I'm doing vlogs between 25 minutes to 1 hour. So like video you have vlog just can cost about my 9 gig. Video nigga just kuri 1 gig, one vlog 9 gig. So you understand if there is an Android was still a video you 9 gig. So it's less so like for 9 number to vlog to my 11. I did 11 vlogs, my guy. 11 vlogs. I'm not talking about no extra apps and kunati move kuna yin to vlog on 11 vlogs phone side there. So where to come with other strategies that's all kumakori. So I apologize for that because I remember I promised you and I also promised myself I can vlog every day consistently. But then the challenges is and it's a good thing vlog 9, 10, 11 because look say if you got to go 100% if so kuri kubaka kudakwa challenge so kubaka kuhlangana challenge ku so because say ativeriwa ihlangana yona khari so another thing I realized got the last vlog got the intro. I promised you if I was ever to say it's number 64 aka Nini and that with an Ibrahim Traore. Let me tell you about Ibrahim Traore because in I'm got the last vlog but I didn't because it's na so and rebel. So I'm going to give you a summary of Ibrahim Traore, my guy. First of all, Ibrahim Traore is the youngest president in Africa right now. And if you know anything about Africa, you know Africa, it's Africa. And I look Africa, I'm not talking about South Africa. South Africa, it's Africa, but the Africa, we are going to visit Africa for a vacation. Africa, South Africa. So it's not like really Africa, it's like the urban Africa. If over America, or you have vacation or you're at South Africa, you're not really going to the Africa they really think it's the Africa. Because people are like by attack mzana. Wena swaswona ku ri u mbarile helerile va twa nga kona u tlela hi mati leyi va twa nga ku tlela hi nyala kasi name everything is good. We got my Rolls Royce this side, we got the Benzes this side, we might not own them but we got them. They don't know that. Va twa nga ku va famba henhla ka tidonki tinghala like bruh. So to that perspective and this scenario ni nge le ku yi hlamuseleni, that's not the Africa I'm really trying to paint here. So Burkina Faso is the real Africa in such a way leya yo na vusiwana bya kona bya tikomba wa vona. Lero loko va ku vanhu a va hlupheka khale a Burkina Faso wa swi kota ku hlangana na sweswo on a daily basis, So this guy, I need you to understand ku he's the youngest president Africa ka tiko ro fana rero, the president of Burkina Faso. And this guy is a legend, my guy. This guy is a legend. I'm sure I'm looking to think what's in Gabalavuli, Ramaphosa, I some South African. Ramaphosa, the cheese boy that the president come in. And the cheese boy that the president was one of his Famba Jano, Tamang Baruto Sutinjano, Steva is also a billionaire. And the cheese boy Ramaphosa come in. Abraham Traore, my guy. Now look what Google says. So much balling for me. I must watch. Let me tell you why. Abraham Traore was the captain of the army yele Burkina Faso. And then balabule so story so fana no Jacob Zuma no Mandela so khale a research this guy was the captain ya military e ba etelela number ba president. So you understand gore munhu yalo ina moral ina discipline ya socha. Let me explain further about this guy. This guy very elected like 2022. So now it's 2025. So now we 3 years relandi. Ku hete moves leti ringetele ku endleni da man. Makhuwa valungu, the French, the British guys, they tried to kill him. It just been in the seat for like 3 minutes. 3 years, I mean. They tried to kill him, guess how many times? 5, nah. 10, nah. They tried to kill this guy 18 times in just a matter of 3 years. So you understand how much of a threat that person is. The latest threat, lirba kore threatena ku irona daman. Ani they got one of his guys. So abona baba isala babu anu wasubona ku as a president. Futhi na loko ri ndhuna ya muganga u vona xandla xa wena lexi u kuma ku ri u rhumela xona kumbe xana vanhu va byela xona swilo loko swi fana swi fika ka wena. The British guys va eka muhisa lowa wa xandla ra Abraham Traore va fika va ku wena hi ku gaya $5 million ku va dlaya mfana luya hi le ku pengeni swilo leswi va nga le ku swi endleni laha swi lavi na katsongo. And to give you an insight of that, I want to give you like how serious the threat is. The president, the last president, leswi I history leswi. So ngeze focus ka swona because ndava focus ka sweswo. Che Guevara a endla swo fana na leswi Abraham Traore ngele ku swi endleni va ri dlayile. Thomas Sankara a endla leswi ngele ku endliweni hi Abraham Traore, and Thomas Sankara was the previous president of Burkina Faso, mara not like loyi a ku ri yena before ku nghena leri. I'm talking about like the president in 1978 kwalaya wa vona. Thomas Sankara va n'wi dlayele the very same thing leswi ngele ku endliweni hi Abraham Traore. So the thing lexi va lulaku xona va hisala i ku ri tiko ra hina a ri independent again. Tiko ra hina a ri koti ku ti hanyisa. Futhi, let me give you one quote leyi nga tshama yi vuriwa hi Thomas Sankara, the president of Burkina Faso back then. Remember this. Futhi ta number ku va word of the day ya this vlog. The hand which feeds you is the hand which controls you. So make sure that you produce what you consume and consume what you produce. a ni tivi funutweli na voko leri ri ku phamelaka hi rona leri ri ku tirhisaka se meka sure ku ri wa byala leswi wena u swi dyaku and u dya leswi ku nga byala wena u ta va xaka. Rest in peace to Thomas Sankara. So the president of Burkina Faso right now, Ibrahim Traore, ra ku nghena in these few years ri tseme muholo wa vanhu lava nga le ka cabinet ya permanent hi half. If minister of finance, minister of water of yini yi tsemiwa hi half muholo wa wena hi ku tiko ri le ku hluphekeni and hinkwenu laha hi tiphalamende mhaka ku hi la ta va kha hi rhangela tiko hi la ta pfuna tiko so muholo wa n'wina u ta hungutiwa u ta va kha u fanda swikolo eswikolweni va ri ku hava matafula ku hava switulu muholo wa n'wina hi ta wu tsema laya va ku se wa wena na u ta wu tsema na ri ku mina mi nga ni holeli ni ta hola ya mina liya ni hola yona ya vusocha vupresident a ni yi lavi. Ibrahim Traore. Number 2, before ri va president Damani golidi ku fana na kwala South Africa loko hi cela la South Africa hi yisa leyi a matiko handle ku va ta fika va processa va endla ti gold chain na ti diamond ivi then va tlhela va xavisela hina 10 times the price ku zela u kuma ku ri u vona ti celebrity ta le America ta le kwihi ti ri na ti golidi yini u nambo swi vo ku va fumile i timhaka ko to ka vona swi accessible ku ri ti price ta kona ti realistic ta kota ku fikeleleka hina a hi swi koti ku ta ti fikelela mara golidi huma tikweni ra hina. So hi mhaka sweswi Damani xi endle the state reserve gold mine swi vula ku ri loko va cela mayini la va yi processa la va yi xavisa la if swi teke 5 rand ku va hi cela golidi swi teka 2 rand ku processa golidi swi vula ku hina hi ta xava 8 rand because swa kwala mara loko yi sungula ya leyi va fika va endla swa vona tlhela va lava profit ya vona swi vula ku ri xilo xa fa hi xave 8 rand hi nga xava 100 rand. That's number 2. Number 3, before Damani va president Burkina Faso ti aeroplane hinkwato airline hinkwato a vo lisa kunene ku lisa swi fana no rent, which means the French companies na valungu hi vona a va decide ku ri okay i ncini lexi nghenaka i ncini xi humaka a Burkina Faso because ani hi vona va controlaka airline ku ri swi fana na le ka n'wina loko ri u tshama na mutswari hi yena langaka ku ri hey vanghana lava vona na la ta va vona la. Damani xavi 2 airplanes, the first airplanes ku va ti va kona a Burkina Faso ku xavi xona Damani within 3 years. Damani ni to va kha ni famba u ta sala u hlamala ku ri xisa lexi blind kha ni ri ku fambeni. Number 4, Moisa loyi i hakele xikweleti hinkwaxo xa tiko ra Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso ya ha koloti khampani na yin'we yi le handle ka Burkina Faso xikweleti xa kona nga va ku ri mali muni nebo 100 million cause i tiko ro siwaneka wa vona so wa swi vona na loko va ze va offera 5 million ku va ku dlayiwa wena swi vula ku ri xikweleti xo va mali muni 100 million na 500 na 1 billion times 4 billion comma something kulaya na 4 billion na madabadaba xi hakele hinkwayo. The youngest president in Africa, my guy. My guy. Lava ku ri u swi twisisa ku ri okay loko u ri xikolweni a wu dyondza hi vo Nelson Mandela but then loko Nelson Mandela va endla mixikaxika ya vona a wu nga ri kona wona kumbe wa ha ri ntsongo to even realize what is doing. Sweswi ni ku byela hi munhu loyi a nge le ku endleni ti-moves na wena wa hanya leraro if you feel like supporting the guy it will make an impact. Ku fana na mi sweswi ni le ku byeleni Damani wa hanya which means wena na sweswi loko vulavula na yena u ta va kha vulavula hi swilo leswi hanyaka. So that's why I'm telling you about this guy Ibrahim Traore. I already told you timhaka ta space ta phone sweswi le ko ma 15 minutes so ni kombela ku pfala. Please allow me to close but remember the name Ibrahim Traore. Vantima na leraro vanhu va tima yini through this guy loko munhu un'wana ku vanhu va tima yini I want you to mention this guy because this guy is the revelation of vanhu va tima. It's not backing down. It's not backing down, my guy. is everything an African president represents. Next time tazama tamhlamsela hi Robert Mugabe, because now stiva vo tala Robert Mugabe mteka president ya bari xavise tiko ra Zimbabwe kuze economy ri hansi. I will tell you why economy ri hansi, and you'll have another image of Robert Mugabe the next time utwa Robert Mugabe, because Robert Mugabe is another legend. Vinyi Vanda, I will see you on the next clip. Ra. Yeah. Atano kuna hii makasi ha stance kate kwa lembo kwa gonywa hampa. Hai. Eish, ye mere taxi kam dina kam. Aku kufumela kudai. Vero. Well, okay guys, unfortunately I'm got to vlog along the way, but right now safe you know. So I'm here to try on some new feet, new feet. And one thing about growing up, I'll tell you very soon. Let me see if that's somewhere. Color nice, but size only is not right. Well, XXA Makwav, about 6 years, of course. I don't know if I showed you before, man, but I bought this thing, man. It's like a gimbal or a selfie stick, one of the two, but like it's more of a gimbal. It's not a selfie stick foot. Foot it can't be a selfie stick for the price. So I got it from Shane, man. You figure like my last week go back or loko na xava swilo leswi kumbe xana order ni ri now just a dream or a vision yo endla ti-vlog wava. But then loko se ni ya sungula ti-vlog yo kuma ku ri swi na ku nyuma xikarhi swi na matihlo ya vanhu xikarhi, especially now like right now we are from the mall, right? I'm sure ku ri ambonanga ti-video to tala like you're used to tale from the mall from me, like got the last clips wavona. The reason for that I timhaka to ani leswiyani I endla video yi ri portrait leswi swo yi va yimi straight so wavona. So here's the thing though, so yeah lana manendla example lexi ani loko yi ri so phone loko kha yi tirhisa so a swi tali munhu a swi hleketa ku nga va ri ku vlogeni because n'wana na n'wana tirhisa so phone. Se sweswi nga yi jikisa yi va so se munhu i twa nga ku u teka yena ti-video loko u ri ndeka molo, so van'wana va ku langutisa nga nigga u ni teka picture, you know. So and you know people be doing crazy things in public, so ta kuma ku van'wani va na vanhu van'wana a fana va nga ri na vona, so munhu i twa nga ku tekateka yena ti-video wava. So swi na mehlo mani ku tekateka vlog loko se ni u yi tirhisi so because se swa jampa ku se u le ku tekeni ka video avani. So I think I would really need a cameraman right now, you know. I think I would really need a cameraman, and this is like the first time I'm using this thing. As you can see, I just peeled it off the box, so we're gonna try to use it now. Bona kwari stirateranjani. So the next clip kutava kuri mina se ni xifaki lande ka tideng fana sungula nsusa xipachi so I will see you on the next clip, my boy. Okay makwavo. So right now we are back. So this thing I think sweswi starteranyana cause swi endla ku ri mavoko ma va comfortable wavona, because instead yo ni khomelela phone so no kota ku khomelela xona so, you know. So ka ri the same comfortability ya ku va ni khoma tideng wavona. So it also comes with the Bluetooth, like because they no go gimbal, it can't be a selfie stick. It comes with a Bluetooth device, you know, which means ni kota ku pause and tell and play a video ikwala ni nga khoma hi kona, and swi endla ku ni kota no yisa phone endzhaku nyana so that you can have a little more background, you see. It also comes with this thing. It's a flashlight for namadambo, so since just ku nga ri dark, you see light till right now. So maybe that's the madam, maybe because na phone and a flash, and the usual in Vangarka the dark places. So maybe we will use it, maybe we won't use it, but yeah, this is it, man. This is it. So since I can't knew mommy and I could take a video molin, let me just tell you what we did in the mall. I grabbed the taxi. The Floriana not the taxi going to come because today it's like hospital in Campbell Gungari weekend, a holiday. Yeah, it's a holiday. It's a holiday. And it's the next holiday, April, like the other long one after the long weekend, you know. Those holidays, I think Namuta Heritage Day or something like that. Heritage of family, I don't know, something like that. So the taxi to Floriana, then we go to the mall. I go to the mall. I just wanted to buy some feet, you know, some feet, because I recently opened the TFG account, right? I opened the TFG account and ankani akela kahle, you know, kufika nkarhi wun'wana kuma ku ri se a no tirha ku teka hi card because a ni va ni hetile ku hakela khale wa vona. So this other guy told me ku ri yo loko u kha u hakela kunene, like let's say u teke khadi ro ku nyika 1000 ivi then wena mbo hakela 1000 liya, swi va swi nga pfuni nchumu ka credit score ya wena because u volo nambo xa hakela xikan'we swi fana loko lo xava cash wa vona. So if you don't know u namba no ku dyondzisa sweswi ku na swilo leswi va swi vitana credit score makwavo. Credit score yi ku pfuna ku va wena u tshembeka ka ti-business loko u kuma ku la ta teka xilo hi xikweleti. Ku fana na sweswi a nge hi la ta xava tifoni wa vona, swo endleka wena if u hava xikweleti va ku u kota ku qualify foni ya 300, ende ku va foni ya 300 leyi wena u nga yi tsakelaka endle ka swipolipoli, and then sure va kha u nga lavi xipolipoli loko u ze u teka hi xikweleti. Ivi then hi mhaka mina tshami ni kolota ka foxini, tshami ni kolota ka makhamu, ni kolota yini ni va kha na hakela hi n'hweti, na kota qualify xi xa 5000, vona kha u kolota xi kha qualify xa 300. So logic ya vona i ku ri loko ri wena u tshama u va na swikweleti kumbe if u na swikweleti va kota ku langutisa la ka swikweleti ku wena u hakerisa njhani, like u hakela on time every month, then swi vula ku va nga kota ku ta ku themba because va na history ya ku va wena u teka swikweleti and u hakela. So if wena u se tshama u teka xikweleti swi vula ku ri a va na history yo wena u nga swi kota ku hakela wa vona, regardless ku ri wa tirha kumbe u tirha, so wa tirha kumbe u tirha ha ngheneleli kwelene. Sweswi hi vulavula hi credit score wa vona, ku va kha u tirha u ri dokodela yini u nga va ri dokodela mina kha ni tirha ka spam mara still ni qualify ku tlula swa wena ku tlula swa mina. So that's why you need to understand these things swa ti-credit score wa vona. I know guys lava kumaka va tsandzeke ku ta qualify ku xava movha hi xikweleti, u kuma ku ri munhu i dokodela, madokodela ma tsandzeka no qualify router yinene just because of a credit score wa vona. Because la a ni vo fika va phancha ka computer phela a ku langi yena loyi a nga tirhaka la thilini ku wena u ta hakela kumbe njhani, phancha ka computer ke munhu yaloyo a n'wi tiva hi mutivi wa vona ku ri dokodela kumbe nurse a ngheneleli wa vona. So you need to get your credit score up. So yeah, na mina one of the reasons I bought the clothes i ku ri timhaka teto to I'm trying to update my credit score wa vona, because already a ni xi hakele khale wa vona, because I'm also one of those people vo ka va nga rhandzi swikweleti wa vona. So a ni xi hakele khale u kuma ku ri se a xa ha koloti nchumu ende se ni nge hakeli phela kha ni nga koloti nchumu. So I got some clothes nyana so that ku ta va na xikweleti nyana, because soon na mina who knows ni nga lava ku xava movha xikweleti wa vona, kumbe xana ni teka foni xikweleti ku va ku ri for now phone sharp as you can see is sharp. But then kuna movha mona, kuna other things, kuna TV, kuna fridge, kuna sofa, you know, i swilo leswi u kuma ku nga swi tsakela ku ta swi teka xikweleti sweswo, since kha swi tiva ku ti-price ta kona u kuma sofa ri na price ya movha swi vona ku nga vona. So get your credit score up man. If kuna xikweleti lexi u kuma ku ri u nga kota ku ta xi landa u nga xi landa. For example ka Truworth ka Makham loko ya sweswi va ta ku nyika if you are over 18, you know, va ta ku nyika khadi leri nga na 1000 ande ka rona, u ta va kha u hakela maybe 29 rand hi n'hweti wa vona. 1000 leyi u nga yi tirhisa anytime, you know, ntsena u va kha u hakela 29 rand leyi ya vona. Se mina hi mina ni yile va fika va ni endlela sweswo, hakela 1000 liya xikan'we kuma ku a swi ha pfunanga nchumu wa vona. So I'm trying to build my credit score, and that's it man. And another thing I need to tell you is still available like a shop. I'm a father now man, so I'm also trying to dress like a father, if it makes sense, you know. I'm trying to also be representable as a father, ku ri like raro loko va ku vana a va te na vatswari va vona kumbe xana loko va foyina va ku papa swimanimani tana mi ta teka n'wana n'wi siyele transport, ku ta munhu loyi wa swi vonaka ku ri a hi buti wa n'wana kumbe xana malume wa n'wana wa xiyatsayatsa i papa n'wana. So these days na loko kha ni xava I'm trying to avoid like the name brands leswa swo kuma ku xitsariwile ku Nike la kumbe xitsariwa swo vo I'm sexy and I know it. Nah nigga sweswi mbala ko vo Woolworth, Ackermans, exact, you know, like time my boy futhi mi ta swi vona loko karhi kha u famba, mi ta swi vona ku yeah ku ri wa vona ku fana na xikipa swo fana leswi, you can see ku ri this is almost a man kumbe xana if not a man this is a man. Wa swi vona ku ri a swona leswiya swa maniganiga swo tsemeleriwa swi tsariwa swilo na swidloko wa swi vona. Se those who know me va swi ta ku ni buy dreads rin'wana Go on. Rat superstars, dread the rest of it. Morosposus, what the cat. I'm trying to be representable, dog. I'm trying to be representable. Even in this channel, I also try. Because I know there's a kid now. He's gonna wanna watch these things. And I got out and jala nap. Figure lang sa video kharat mana look ben kanhlam. You see, so in a nutshell, I'm trying to grow up. And I'm trying to act like a grown-up. So unfortunately for many of us who have to teach ourselves these things, it's important for me to talk about these things in our vlogs, because unfortunately most of us will come from broken families. One of the papa mara most of the time papa never mind caught up in the work, so he didn't really get the time. What is it to be a father really? Ngene boarding school. Boarding school we kaya fika graduate aba celebrate so kwale no yantirweni so kantirweni seni ya mutini wa yena. He or she didn't really get to be a father. To know how a father really operates. So these are conversations which sometimes you must have. Yo, bruh. Look, so it's not an excuse when you didn't have a father. You gotta be the father, and you gotta be the best father that kid has. So that's also something I'm trying to do. It's something new, because man, some of us in general have come over TV, papa. One for one over funny sa texino, ngalenga ko ifana mira. Ay papa mira. But yo, jokes aside, you know what I mean. Jokes aside, you know what I mean, man. You know what I mean. There's a lot of broken families talk. So we can't be using that as an excuse. We gotta break the generational curse. We gotta break it. We gotta do better, nigga. We gotta do better. Wanna find us money through when. First papa through when. Regardless of your financial situation, dog. Regardless of that. Most of the niggas I know, they are mad busy. What busy go for, but make time, dog. Make time. If was still graduation, pull up on the graduation. If was still in a practice, wanna pull up on the practice. It doesn't have to be every day, but endo kungwana angas feel when I on. Because it has a lava papa kavan one. Because everybody needs someone in this world, no matter the age. So, like right now, so I need you. You see, I need you to subscribe too, man. I need you to subscribe too, because when you miss a comma the camera leader, because when I was told langs with the camera, what wrong for that one? A lot of yaba pota, because I'm not busy, so but then I come back on Kaitolabella. And if there's someone who likes me very much, lera roha angana maka no oleriwa hai angana mbaba cameraman ya mina amban landelela and this is, but then for now we are cool. Not with the camera section. I really need the cameraman right now. Unangonyangwana no kuitaba cameraman ya mina ya nyuma and ya kala. And I'm trying to vlog every day, dog. I'm trying to vlog every day. So munonyo matakala, dog. But hey, man. Hey, thank you for watching. We're still going to do other vlogs, and there's still going to be a next clip. So so but like yo, those are the things, man. Thank you for pulling up on me. I love you very much. So right now, if you don't know, I'm expecting a baby, dog. Because the can't I tire no being a father. I'm expecting a baby, dog. And the baby's gonna be around here anytime from now. So right now, we are going to exercise. I don't need to exercise, but she needs to exercise. So I'm trying to be supportive here. Not just being a father, also being the best husband. Husband, boyfriend, yeah, but I like to call it the husband. So I'm going to help her exercise. We're going to jump around. Like from YouTube, man, there's nothing like special in that cash. And but yeah, we're going to be exercising, going to doing the yeah. So see you on the next clip, man.
And exhale. Hug the baby. Nice. Can you keep hugging the baby and breathing through that? Take a little bit wider stance if you need to. Hands come to the hips, and we're just going to take a couple hip circles. So just hip circles, side to side.
How long till you get
throw those hips and joints. Like I said, you're going to take this workout totally at your pace, okay? However you're feeling today in those final weeks of pregnancy. This is all about you doing what feels good for you. Give me one more hip circle each way. Nice. From here, we're just going to go to a simple march in place. So just pull those knees up. Marching in place. Nice. You can take this all at your pace, your tempo. It's all time intervals. So you do your best. The goal is that you stick to that 1 minute of work. Think about pacing yourself during a deep time.
Baby ni khomele khomi ku tika beba swi mfambeli slash khongelo baby khongeleli slash khongelo baby khongeleli hi ku ntirha ku vava mara vanhu leli no tirha ku vava beba vanhu leli mali ku hava beba vanhu ri kona yi lo hela ndleleni ende xihoxo loko njika byaleni mali ku hava se ni hava na peni mali ku lova se ni hava na peni a ku yele njhani ku vuhulu tolweni u nga nwa muholo u ri kahle nhlokweni u ntwala timbangi se ti nghene nhlokweni u ntwala timbangi se ti nghene nhlokweni bebi ni kholi mali heli byaleni ni endli xihoxo ku ya amtongeni a ni ku no jika na ku hungaseni ni kuma masandza a ri ku vaviseni a ri ku vaviseni kuma masandza a ri ku vaviseni so baby unga soli baby sola masandi longa ri yena ntanga denge na randi longa ri yena ntanga denge na randi longa ri yena ntanga denge na randi 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 so baby unga soli baby sola masandi longa ri yena ntanga denge na randi longa ri yena ntanga denge na randi longa ri yena ntanga denge na randi ntanga denge na randi
Okay, Makwabo. So right now we are going to test out this thing. You know, Shleshasha Flesh, Shleshinga Kombashon. I got the last clip. You know, no, not the last clip, but the clip before the last one. So right now, Tatemakunene gets, we're going to switch off the light. Yeah, and I'm the only one who got the lights on in this section. So let's see how it performs. In the bathroom. Okay, so in 3, 2, 8. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah. In 3, 2. So yeah, you tell me what you think, man. You tell me what you think, cause right now, she shower brightness. I won't get the brightness. I won't get the brightness. So it is what it is, you know. So you tell me what you think. I don't know what you think about it, or what to think about it, but here we are. If you see me, you see me. If you don't see me, you don't see me. But I thought I say and learn to vlog. Let us have a see because there's some famba. So you tell me what you think, man. You tell me what you think. For me, it's kind of nice. Kuba karanga light because when la korn kota no lang tisa camera like this. Cause I had the light and a flash. I had the light and a flash, but flash and go to kill long this. You know, for two light and a flash. Let me show you. So you see now, it's kind of hard for me the video or the camera. So because the flash is too much. So you tell me what you think about like the performance earlier, because it flash is flashing right now. Okay, so right now we are just doing the dinner. So right now I'm feeling sleepy. I was sitting outside and I was eating outside. So yeah, man. Yeah, seriously, I just have to invigilate Mrola. Looks so good, Mro. I just forgot to Mro, but like looks so good, Mro. And when I just have to do the pap, Papa was like a pap. So that's it, man. So if when I want to sleep after this one, this is goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow because I'm actually sleeping right now. Not papa, no striker because I have to because she already did a great job, shaking yam, bro. So just gotta do my part, Everybody has to play their own part. My part is like a pop. So if I don't see you, thank you very much for watching this long, I don't know how long the vlog is, but I'm sure itaba can get 40 minutes. I'm sure it can get 40 minutes. So you just gave me like 40 minutes of your free time, man. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow morning. If kunge even I want clip, but like I feel like 40 minutes it's enough, man. So right now, let me share this pop, cook pop, and then sleep. And I will see you tomorrow. Thank you very much, man. Love you.